What is up, you guys? Today we have like 18 things going out that we sold on eBay over the last couple days. So Haley and I are going to get all these orders pulled, packed, and shipped out. So just in case this is the first time you're watching one of our videos, my name is Josh. I go by Hairytornado, and this is my beautiful wife, Haley. And
there's Mose.
Yeah, there's our dog, Mose, back there. And our full-time job basically is filming ourselves, going to flea markets, thrift stores, and garage sales, trying to find things that are super cheap that we could then flip for a profit on eBay. So if you guys like content like that, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. So the first thing we have going out today is this Garmin portable friction mount. It's in the Tbin, I believe, which should be right down here. There it is. We actually picked this up at the flea market a couple weeks ago. I think I paid like $3 for it or so, and it sold for $19 free shipping. Next up, we have a pair of American Eagle jeans. You found these, didn't you?
I did, at the bins.
Yeah, I certainly didn't find them because I do not look for clothes that much. I guess I have recently, but got those at the American Eagle jeans at the bins. Probably paid, what, like $1 for them? $1.50 or so, and they sold for $10 plus the buyer is paying shipping, so not too bad. Next item is right here in the E-bin, and it is a project calculator. We picked this up at the Goodwill grand opening the other day. I think it was like $3, like $3.97 or something like that, and this sold for $20 free shipping. We accepted an offer on this. I think I originally had it listed for $24.99 free shipping, but again, happy to be accepting offers on some stuff. Let's see. The next item is a Callaway Big Bertha 3-wood.
Is it this one or no? Because that's not a warbird.
Yeah.
There's a few warbirds.
We have too many of the Callaways. So this is, I think this is it. Callaway Big Bertha Stiff Flex. So this is definitely the right club. Callaway Big Bertha 3-wood. I think we paid like $2 for this at Goodwill, and it sold for $19.65. Plus the buyer is paying shipping. And this actually sold to a viewer of the channel, but she said she didn't want her name read out loud for some reason. So thank you so much for your support. You know who you are, and we definitely appreciate it. Next item is over here in the W file. It's the Avett Brothers. I don't know how to pronounce it. We got this CD at a garage sale. I don't know, like like 6 months ago. I think we paid 20.
The house down the street.
Yeah, it was in our neighborhood. Paid 25 cents for it, I believe. I couldn't find anything else at that sale. It's the only thing we got. Just I didn't want to leave empty-handed. But it sold for $12.99 free shipping. So I mean, not too bad. The shipping is only going to be about. Well, this could actually go media mail, so probably like less than $3 or so. So making what, $9 in profit? Yeah, I'll take that. This next item sold to a viewer named Pete from, I think, Durham, United Kingdom. He says, "Hey Josh, our family loves your channel, including the kids. We watch the older videos all the time and look forward to every new video. Congratulations on your success. It's great to see the subscriber count steadily increase. It's much deserved." Pete, thank you so much for buying something from our store to support us and for the super nice note. Your hat is in the F bin, which is right here. It was the Boston Red Sox right here. So Pete bought this hat. I think we got this at the flea market for $1. So Pete, we definitely appreciate the support, man. Hope you enjoy the hat. Thanks again for watching. Next time is down here in the remote drawer, and it's this silver Denon, I think it's a stereo receiver remote. We picked this up at the Goodwill bins a couple months ago for probably 25 cents or less. Anytime you buy a remote, just make sure you check the battery compartment on them to make sure there's no corrosion. But this one's good to go, and we listed it for $24.99 free shipping, and it took maybe like 3 or 4 months or so to sell, but it sold. Full asking price, turning 25 cents into $25. That's a great ROI. This next item is a vintage Wilson football. It's like half, well actually 3/4 white, and like just one section is the regular leather. It sold for $35 plus shipping to a viewer named Seth from Birmingham, Alabama. And this is what it looks like. Haley grabbed it out of the bin, and Seth actually wants us to sign it. There was like an old signature or something on there that we tried to get off with a magic eraser, and it didn't come off all the way. So he was like, you guys could just sign over it. It's fine. He just wanted to buy something to support the channel. So Seth, thank you so much. We will sign this somewhere and get it sent out to you. We appreciate the support. Next item is down here in the S bin, and it's some sort of locking mechanism thingy, access point, key safe. Picked this up at the Goodwill grand opening. I think it was like $4, $3.97, I think, if I remember correctly, and this sold for $19.99 plus shipping. Nice little sale there. Next item's right here in the E-bin, and it is a women's sweater. Is that it? No, that's next one. It's a women's sweater that I actually found at Goodwill. Haley has been, shout out Josh. Haley has been killing the women's clothing lately, and I was like, I'm actually learning brands and stuff from her. And I think, didn't you pick up something from Makini or something before?
I'm not sure.
I don't know, but I just saw it. I was like, that looks like something Haley would get. So I paid, I think, $4.75 for this, and it sold for $24.99 free shipping. Not quite as good as the clothing that Haley is finding, but definitely a good flip. Next time's up here in the A bin. Haley's going to get it down for us. It's some Novara thermal padded fleece line cycling leggings.
Yeah.
Where'd you get those?
I don't remember. I don't remember the exact time and place like Josh does.
It's a superpower of mine.
It is a superpower.
These were probably at Goodwill, probably like $4, $4.75 or something, and they sold for $20. Free shipping. We accepted an offer on those just to move some clothing out. We have a ton of clothing. That's just one bin. Next time's up here in the K bin. I'm trying to pull it down without pulling down the whole bin. This is a Hugo Boss like a messenger bag. Hugo Boss, there you go. I got this at the Goodwill bins probably like 5 months ago. I thought it was going to sell pretty quickly, but it didn't. It sat listed in our store for a while.
Well, actually, that's not true because I actually listed it probably last week.
Oh, it just sat in the death pile for a really long time. Okay, so there's a lesson for you folks. Make sure you get your stuff listed because this sat in the death pile for 5 months. Haley took the time to list it, and it sold in less than a week. Somebody sent an offer on this, though. I don't know if I think you had it listed for like 20.
Yeah, I had it listed higher.
But $16.50 plus shipping, not too bad. This was again at the Goodwill bin, so we probably paid less than $1 for this. So this next sale is a very, very good one and a fresh purchase. If you guys have watched the channel, you should remember this. This is a pair of Echo men's hiking boots that we picked up. What is up, you guys? You're about to hear a pretty severe drop in audio quality when I turn this camera around, and it's just because I didn't know how to work my new GoPro yet. So bear with me through this segment. It also happens a few other times further on in this video, but I promise I won't let it happen again. Love you so much. At the flea market, like what, last week? The week before we went to Vegas. I think it was in the last flea market video. We paid $20 for these. These are the Echo, I think the Track 25 boots. Fantastic condition. I mean, I don't think these have ever been worn at all, and I honestly didn't think they were going to be worth that much money. I was like, paid $20 for them, maybe get like 50 or 60. But when we looked up sold comps, these boots were actually worth upwards of $150 in used condition. So we listed ours for $139, and within a couple hours, we kept getting some offers, and somebody finally sent us an offer of $125 plus shipping. So we did go ahead and accept that, turning $20 into $125 plus shipping. That's almost $100 in profit. Now, if you sell athletic shoes on eBay over $100, there's no fees. But I think that's just like sneakers, like basketball shoes, running shoes, things like that. I don't think hiking boots count. So I do think we'll have to pay eBay fees on this, but still a fantastic profit. Let's go check on Mose, see how he's holding up. How you doing, Mose? You all right? If a dog comes down that road, you can see him from here, your little perch. If a dog comes down that road, you can see him. And this way. Yeah. Yeah, you could turn around. You make sure you watch your six, because there could be a dog over there, and he will need some barking at. So I think everything else we have going out on eBay today is shoes. And if you guys watch the channel, you know that we keep our shoes in our guest bedroom on this little shelf box mechanism thing down here. So we're gonna go through and pull some. First up is a pair of Crocky. Where are the Crocs? Here they are. These are the Crocs Light Ride Black Pacer sneakers. We paid $6.50 for these at Goodwill, and they sold for $25 plus shipping. Next up, we got a pair of purple Nikes. Haley, didn't you find those at the Goodwill grand opening? That's really, really close. Goodwill grand opening, we paid $6.50 for those. Haley got them cleaned up and listed. She's been doing like all the reselling stuff. I just edit the videos. I'm just a nobody. She's the superstar here. That's not true. But these sold for $30 plus shipping. Next pair of shoes going out is this pair of Newtons that we picked up at the Goodwill grand opening for $6.50. These actually sold to a viewer named Timothy. And he said, really enjoy watching your YouTube videos. Glad to make a purchase to help support you guys. Keep up the good work. Thanks for all the great content. Much love to you and yours. Timothy, thank you so much for your support. These sold for $34 plus shipping. Thanks a lot, Timothy. Next up are a pair of the gray Snook shoes. I don't remember where we got those.
I don't either.
Probably Goodwill. If we got them at Goodwill, they're $6.50. If we got them at Salvation Army, they were $6.99. So between $6.50 and $7 for these, and they sold for a grand total of $20 plus shipping. Sanooks are a good brand. They are a good brand, but generally maybe the ones that are more unique and like fun looking would sell better. Those were just like brown and boring, so maybe that's why they sold for so little. Next up are some Madewell women's flats that Haley actually found.
Loafers.
Oh, loafers. I don't know what women's shoes are. Loafers, leather loafers, those actually look pretty good. I wouldn't personally think that Madewell was a good brand, but Haley's been doing her own research and really been finding some good stuff. So where'd you get those?
Goodwill.
Goodwill, $6.50, and these sold for $40 plus shipping. That's pretty good.
So our total gross sales amount for everything you guys saw in today's video was about $610. And just to keep things simple, after eBay fees, shipping costs, and cost of goods sold, we're left with about $300 in net profit, and we also have to save about 25% of that to pay our income taxes. So after everything is said and done, we're walking away from today with about $225 in our pocket.
So we came to our classic Goodwill on the way to the post office, and you're actually looking at the footage from Haley's
GoPro,
which just so happens to be my old GoPro. I'm sure a lot of you guys in the comments are gonna be like, why did Josh get the new GoPro and Haley just gets the old one? I don't know. Maybe we'll get her like
He's the YouTuber.
No, you're a YouTuber. You made your own vlog. We got some.
Reaper. 3XL. Pretty cool long sleeve tee.
I had to do a voiceover for this part because the music was way too loud, but I found the Sanyo VCR DVD combo unit, but as you can see, it had a couple issues, and when I plugged it in, it didn't turn on. So that's a pretty major issue, so unfortunately, I left this on the shelf.
Look at this cool Hogwarts book bag.
Oh, that's cool.
You think I should get, oh, it says $8.94. You think it's worth $8.94?
I mean, someone might pay like 20 bucks for it plus shipping, maybe. It was bigger, like it's like a small backpack. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we get this for $8.94? It's really cool. It's got all these patches on it.
Yeah.
You gotta think, if this was at like Harry Potter World, it would probably be like $50 at least.
Marie Oliver looks like a good brand when I look it up on eBay, but I have no idea what this thing is because it's not like open at the bottom. Really weird.
A nice ping shirt here, size large. No custom embroidery on the sleeve, and the only thing over here is just the ping logo. No pulls, no stains. I think that is a buy. I may have just found something really, really good. Haley's over there. She's like, what? What did you find? Look at this. Toronto Maple Leafs jersey. Maple Leaf on the sleeve, nothing on the back, so you can customize if you want. Air knit, size large, made in USA. I think this will be pretty good.
Actually, when we were in line at checkout, I was looking at this, I guess, rack that they have of their pants were sitting there. I saw a USA flag, and I was like, I'm gonna go look at those jeans. And it turned out to be some True Religion jeans.
Yeah.
So
They're big. They're like 42 or something.
Yeah.
But that should actually sell better than a smaller size. So in that Goodwill, we spent a total of $31.19 on everything we picked up, and I think we should be able to sell everything for around $130 to $140 in total, including those True Religion jeans that Haley found at the end that we didn't get on camera. So after fees, shipping, and cost of goods, I think we can probably make about $75 from that one trip.
So we came to this next Goodwill. It's the one with the bins inside. It's in the afternoon, so I don't remember the last time we went to, where'd you go? I don't remember the last time we went to the Goodwill bins in the afternoon, but we'll head in here and see what we can find.
Patagonia jacket, women's medium. Just found this Free People sweater, super cute, long sleeve.
It's for me.
Gymshark leggings.
On these shoes up here, Dr. Seuss, little tassels. These look pretty cool.
So that Patagonia jacket was $5.75, the sweater was $4.75, the Gymshark leggings were also $4.75, and those Dr. Seuss shoes were $6.50. So we spent a total of $21.75, and I think we'll be able to sell those items for around $110. So after fees and shipping, we should be left with about $60.
Going into the bins. little Patagonia hat here. It's pretty neat. So it's medium. Made in USA. Wow, that's pretty cool. Got another BMW hat here that is also made in USA. It's nice. So I found this purse right here, black with like a little brown and silver trim. Inside, I believe this tag says Brighton. I can't really show it on camera, but it looks to be in good condition. It feels very high quality, like real leather. I looked up just Brighton handbags on eBay, and it looks like, I mean, this one right here is very, very similar to that one. That one pre-owned, sold for $42 plus shipping. So I think based on what I'm seeing, this might be a pretty good risk. I'll go ahead and grab that.
So unfortunately, both of our GoPros died after that last clip with the purse. Haley didn't find anything at Tbin's that day, and I didn't find anything after that, so you guys didn't miss anything. But shout out that freaking Patagonia hat. I thought that was going to be worth like maybe 20 bucks or so, but apparently those vintage like fleece duckbill hats actually do really well. Some of them have sold comps as high as like $80 or $100 depending on the certain colorway. So definitely be on the lookout for those. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it at all, take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below. We greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.